Looking for a versatile, high-quality way to level up your workouts? The Fit Simplify resistance bands are perfect for all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. With 5 color-coded resistance levels, you can customize your workout for strength, flexibility, and rehab, all in one compact set. These bands integrate seamlessly with strength training, power weight programs, stretching, and even yoga. Take your home workouts to the next level, or bring them on the go with the included carry bag. Whether you're training, recovering from an injury, or working on post-pregnancy fitness, these bands help with leg, knee, and back rehabilitation. Each band is durable, snap-resistant, and gentle on the skin, so you can train worry-free. Plus, the included instruction guide offers dozens of exercises for your legs, arms, back, shoulders, ankles, hips, and core. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, these bands are an essential tool for strength, rehab, and mobility. If you want to grab yours today, check the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more home fitness essentials.